Hi, in this video we're going to go over how to do problem set number 3, question number 4. Alright, opening up on Krivets, we can see the question. It reads, an asset costs $15,000 and at the end of 3 years it has a salvage value of $2,000. According to the sum of the year's digits, the book value at the end of year 2 is... Alright, so one of the first steps is to find P and S, which are the principal and sale value. We're going to try to create in Microsoft Excel a little spreadsheet similar to the one that we found in the calculating depreciation notes on Box.com. As you can see, we're setting up on the left side the some of the different years. In the right, we're going to go ahead and put in P and S. For this problem, P is going to be 13,000, and sale is going to be 2,000 because at the end of the salvage, it's only worth $2,000. Next, we're going to find the difference P minus S. We're going to do that using a calculated column underneath both P and S, and that would just be E1 minus E2. Alright, now that we have our difference P minus S, we can go ahead and start creating the calculated column over here. Now, the sum of the years is always going to be P for the different, so if you can see the rate of depreciation, it was that complex sum, but effectively it's going to be, if n is the amount of years, then it's going to be n plus 1 minus the current year. In our case, if there's 3 years, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 minus our current year, A2, will give us the value that we want. Now, we want to divide all of these numbers by the total sum of the different years. So in this case, 3 plus 2 plus 1. In the 5-year one, it's 5 down, decrementing down to 1 over 15. Now, of course, we want to multiply this times the difference P minus S, which in this case is 13,000. Now, we can right-click on our calculated column, and we can select Fill, and we can just drag it all the way down, and it's calculating the different amounts depreciated per year based off of that specific year. Now, lastly, what we want to do is we want to put the principal starting value, or in this case for problem number 4, 15,000, right at the top, and we can use, again in Excel because it's such a powerful tool, we can use calculated columns to subtract each year the different value. Now the way we would do that is we would just say, oh, C2 is going to be equal to C1 minus B2, and then if we use our fill function in Excel, it will just carry down all the way to the bottom. And quick typo right there. If we do fill all the way to the bottom, then wha-chang, looks like it's about done. Now the problem specified for at the according to some of the years, what is the book value at the end of year 2, and in our case with our calculated column C3, it's $4,167. Now again, because there's so many different functions in Excel, we can go ahead and highlight that for you. And this was an FE problem showing how to do depreciation problems in Excel on your mobile phone, in case you're an Uber driver.